Guys, we are knee deep in bake day, and I set myself a 20-minute timer to come out. Oh God, the sun! Oh. To get the stand unwrapped, because we wrap it. We've been having some storms, and get the new decorations up super quick before the bread's done, just to like keep us on task. Timers keep us on task. Let's see if I can catch the wind. Yes. Like a sail. Come on. Take it, wind. Yay, wind. That's badass. Thanks, wind. I like working on this timer. It gives me some pressure. Like, this side is the stripe side. Something like, okay, I think I see it. Something like this. Something. We'll figure it out. Wait. Cute, cute, cute. What do you think over here? The cherries? I'm thinking of leaving these like little white flowers up there until like maybe I get the 4th of July stuff, because honestly I didn't think about that when I don't hate it. You can go here and okay, are we vibing? I'm vibing. Same runner, but I'm gonna do strawberries on this side. Okay, I have these balloons from our birthday. Somebody commented that, and I agree with that. So they're not my favorite, but we're gonna see if they can add some whimsy. Okay. My thought is maybe these balloons can kind of just be like a vibey, summery, kind of bready, like extra little color. Don't hate it. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. You know what I want to do? I want to put this like right here. Yes? Feeling like it needs more, but this is all we got right now. The girl can only do what she can do. Okay. Okay. I have thoughts about the tulips up there still, but I forgot about that. And honestly, I didn't see anything I liked. So once the 4th of July stuff goes on, I'll like get some stuff for that. And then I feel like for the most part, other than whatever the heck I'm doing with these balloons, to be honest, I don't know what I'm doing with balloons. Do you feel some summer vibes? There's our new ladybug. Are you feeling summer vibes-ish? And then this little guy is our Wegland sign for the front. Okay, what do you think? Let me know.